Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix YouTube not showing full screen. If you are not be able to see YouTube videos on your full screen, now I'm going to show you the solution of this. For this, you have to scroll down your mobile settings from the above, and on the third row you can see the option of auto rotate. Make sure you have to turn it on. If it is off, click on the turn it on. Now open the YouTube app and play a random video. Once the video is played, you can see the scare icon on the bottom right of the video. You have to click on it, and there you can see your video is played on the full screen. In this way you can fix the YouTube not showing full screen problem. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.